As AAA Race Engineering, we pride ourselves on firstly being an engineering company that likes to go racing.
I love the race weekends and going out there and racing, but I also love what goes on behind the scenes in building this car, trying to build the best car we possibly can and then bring it to the track.
The car's never finished. You're always trying to improve it, trying to develop it. So working with technologies that allow you to expedite that process is critical for ongoing performance. In the past, we'd have to machine from either a block of aluminium, which would be very expensive, time-consuming and quite heavy, or using billet plastics. Once again, messy, time-consuming. The key advantages for 888 working with EVOK3D and HP with the multi-jet fusion technology is just what it allows us to do. There's the speed of production, the intricacy, the detail you can get to with these parts. It's strong, it's light, and can take the harsh environments that we put it in. To have the machines in-house and press print, come back in the morning and it's done, ready to fit to the car, that is game-changing. When we first tested the new refueling guide, we really put it through its paces. You could barely scratch it. It was really impressive. I mean, it wasn't chipping, it wasn't cracking, it wasn't distorting. The printed guide really does speed up our pit stops. It makes a big difference to the team.
We come back to the workshop and said we really need to produce a silicon steering wheel. So we went on a bit of a mission to develop new parts to improve the button position and the width of the steering wheel, where your thumb position is on the axis.
It's pretty cool to have that design freedom to go to the next level.
The steering wheel's a great example. That was a bit of a dream at the start of the year that we've been able to turn into reality, and it's been able to generate some podiums this year.
And he is back on the top. Your race 19 winner, it's Jamie Whincup from the Redbull Holden Racing Team.